Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and today we are back with another video on how you can make money online. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. So today we're going to talk about IQ option. I know a lot of people on YouTube claiming that they can get thousands of dollars in just a couple of seconds, just by clicking sell or buy. So today we're gonna go look up for what IQ option is offering for us and see what's going on. So the first thing, of course, you got this website right here. You can just go on iqoption.com right here, trade stocks, forex, and crypto. Here you got the free practice account where you can just put your strategy that you just been learning or something like that. Here we can see you got the forex. You got 31 forex peggers. Well, IQ option known for their good forex trading because they got 31 peggers that you can trade on. By the way, the minimum deposit is $10 and the minimum investment is $1. So basically, if you deposit $10, you can just start trading with only $1. So that's pretty much the idea of that IQ option giving. So here we got forex, as we said. You got here stocks. You got the Amazon.com, Adidas, Telecom, Italia, Shopify, and there is more that you can discover. There's 182 stocks. Here we got crypto. Crypto, Bitcoin. You got Dogecoin. You got more crypto as usual. And here we got the commodities. You got the gold, silver, just the stuff about commodities in general, basically. Here you got the index that you can trade on to, and you got the ETFC, and it's the same thing. You can trade with $1, and that's the minimum. Okay, so let's scroll down here. As you can see here, deposit and withdrawals. Choose between multiple payment system to withdraw and deposit your funds quickly and securely. Minimum deposit again is $10. You can use AdVash, Perfect Money, Visa card, MasterCard, and AdVash USD. So that's a cool thing. You can choose which one is perfect for you to withdraw. And here we got the advanced platforms that you can download the IQ option on desktop Windows, Mac OS, web, and mobile. And here you got the free practice account. So basically on the free practice account you got around $10,000, and that's just pretty much virtual money, or maybe just say a money that gonna get you ready for the real investment. So you're gonna learn your strategy from YouTube, from any site, whatever, and then you just try it on the practice account so you can not lose your real money. And of course you got the support for 24 hours. And here, like we just said, you got the windows, stuff like that. Here you got the analytics. We're gonna explain that later on the app. And here we got the risk management, and that is the important thing that I want to talk about, guys. Here with the features such as stop loss, take profit, negative balance, protection, and trailing stop, you can manage your losses and profits at the levels you set. So the videos that I'm explaining here right now is not to make you rich in a couple of seconds or maybe between a day. Basically, this idea of trading, and especially binary option, is not pretty much safe, guys. So just be careful. It's like you're gambling in the same time, if you know what I mean. And I know a lot of people who lost a lot of amount of money, so just be careful. This is not getting rich fast or something like that. For example, if you want to trade on this kind of platforms and in general binary option, you have to know that you need a strategy to work on before you just go on this stuff. So just be careful. Here we're gonna scroll down. You got the trading community. Basically you can talk to other people and you can see their status, how much they made on the day, how much they trading. You in general. So the idea of the trading community, you can talk to people and know what's going on, and that's it. Okay, here start trading in 3 steps. You got to open an account on IQ option, practice, and then deposit real money and start trade. So this is pretty much about the website, as you can see. This is the same thing, and here again, guys, you see risk warning. You have to read that carefully because they are advising you to not just put your real money in. They're advising you to learn some strategies and then come to the website. This is pretty much about the website, and now we're gonna go into the application, or like the app they just told us to download, and I'm gonna explain to you more. And we're back. We just opened the app, and as you can see, this is pretty much how the app looked like. You got the payers right here: Euro USD, USD JPY. If you want to add more methods to trade on this platform, you're just going to click on this plus button right here and then choose which one you want. For example, forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, and more stuff. For example, let's just add some crypto right here. Let's just add Bitcoin, and then you can trade on Bitcoin, and then you got the buy and sell. This is pretty much it. Now basically the idea of buy and sell is, if you feel like the market is gonna go up, you're just gonna bet that the market is going up like this. For example, now guys, we're using fake money, a virtual money on the practice account. As you can see right here, if you can see it, this is a practice account, and this is the real account. In case you want to put your real money, all you have to do, just click deposit right here, and then just click top up your account, and then just do the process to add money on here. This is pretty much it. You can choose the multiplier here to x5 or x3. You got the amount, how much money you're willing to trade on this website. And here you got the auto close. For example, one profit is, and then like one loss is. You can put that in the percentage or in the loss money. Okay, so here we got the more thing. You can check on tournaments. Sometimes IQ Option do tournaments. Here you got the tutorials. This is pretty much, I advise you to look up at this one. Go to YouTube, see other people who are experienced, how to trade and stuff like that. So this is just a basic tutorials on how to trade. And here you got the market analytics. This is so important, guys. Before trading, you have to know like what's going on with that pairs, what's going on with crypto, is it going up, down, just things like that. And here you got the leaderboard. For example, this guy right here, I don't know, this country is Thailand. He just made $228 probably just today or yesterday. And here you got the chat and support. You can talk to people, like I said earlier. You have to get to the amount to $300, because actually I do have an experience on this IQ option thing. If you guys want to know more, feel free to contact me on my Instagram down below. As you can see, people are literally talking right now. This guy right just put like how much he literally just won $21, as you guys see, and then he just uploaded. Okay, here you got the trading history. For example, what you did on the last 12 hours, the trading you just did, stuff like that. And here you got the total profit, the current profit that you're doing, or the current investment that you're investing. This is pretty much everything about IQ option. Hope you guys get the idea of binary option, or trading, I would call it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you need anything from me, just put that down in the comments, and peace.